Alright, we're back with the next video on this strap. I've pretty much got the strap finished. I got all my pieces sewn together. Like I said in the last video, I used the same thing you would doing leather work. I showed in the last video how I put my template down, punched all my holes. Right now everything's ready for my plates to go on. I've already got my snaps in, and basically I picked these up at Walmart. They come in a pack. They actually come with the tools to put all your snaps in, and basically you just have your male snaps and your female snaps. I'm gonna show you putting the plate together. These are my side plates, and I'm gonna get my rubies put in, and then I'll put my bolts into the head of my brass pins like I was talking about in a previous video. They'll go through. I'll spread my pins where they're out of the way before they actually go through the strap. So I'll put my bolts through the strap and get everything bolted down. But first I got to get the rubies put in. The rubies fit right into your countersunk holes. Just drop them in. Basically that's what you get. So then I put my bolts in. I've already got my other side ready. Like I said, I just put the bolts inside of my brass pins, pushed them through, spread them to make sure they wouldn't be showing anywhere. The next step is to put it on the strap. Line up your holes, get it put through your strap. Then what you need to do is turn your belt over, make sure everything's down tight. I like to use washers before I put my nuts on, so that make sure they don't come back through the strap. Then when I get finished with that, basically what I use is a cutting disc to go on my Dremel tool. I can actually just take and cut this bolt off. You can pick these up in Dremel tool kits at Walmart for usually about 10 bucks, and you can get everything you need from the stuff that I use to do my engraving right down to the sanding disc that I use after I cut it off to just kind of make sure everything's smooth, that I hadn't got any sharp places or anything like that. So you can pretty much get everything you need out of that one kit for your Dremel tool to do all this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish assembling everything, get my bolt heads cut, get everything sanded off, everything cleaned. The next video will be the last video for this belt, and it will everything will be assembled except for the nameplate. I'm not going to show the nameplate on camera. I would just like for everybody to like and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. If there's anything about this particular belt that we're doing now that you want to know about, just leave a comment, and I'll either try to explain it in the comments, or if I can't, I'll let you know that I'll do a video showing exactly how to do it, so that you'll know. And I just want to say thanks to everybody, and God bless you.